Okay, folks, just about done with the first sec part of tutorial 2. So we're going to explore the format cells dialog box, the number alignment box sections in the home tab. That's on page 92. So flip over onto page 93, and there's just a few more steps here for this section. So we're going to use the format cells dialog box to format the column labels and do some fancy stuff here. So let's get back to our Excel spreadsheet here. And so they want us to be in the sales report sheet, and we want to select the range A26 through O26. A26 through O26. And on the home tab in the number group, so find the number group, click the dialog box launcher, the little arrow that points down and to the right. It brings up a dialog box, and we want to click the font tab near the top. We want to click the color box. Okay, so find the color box. Actually, yeah, the color box to displays the color palette. Okay, so you've got a whole bunch of options there. We want to click white background 1 theme color. White background 1 theme color. And the font is set to white. So we need to pay attention to that. So click the Fill tab here, and we have some background options here. In the background color palette over here, we're going to click the red standard color. So standard color at the bottom, and choose red. Okay. And then choose OK. And so then you should see now in your sheet you've got white text on red background in row 26. So I'm moving over onto page 94 now. So step 1, to format the row labels. So select the range A27, A27 through A46. So basically all those state names we're getting. And we're going to right click on all the stuff we just picked, and we're going to choose the format cells. So once you choose the format cells, there's another dialog box that actually shows up here, and we want to choose the in the background color palette, we want to click the gray theme. So the gray theme, the first color in the 7th column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the gray theme. First color in the 7th column. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here. 7th column, not the 7th row. And then we want to click on the font tab. And once we have the font tab, we want to choose the white background 1 theme color in the color box over here. White background 1 in the theme colors. And then find the size box, and we want to find the number 16 there. So once you've got 16 chosen, then you can pick OK at the bottom. And so if you look on that left-hand side, you're going to have gray background, you're going to have white text. I'll click off of this so you can actually see it. And we've got that kind of formatted halfway decently. So red and gray, Ohio State's colors. So to add a double border to the state results, select the range A27 through O26. A27 through O33, I'm sorry. A27 through O33. Okay, so we're just picking that one state's totals. We want to click the border, open the Format Cells dialog box. Okay, so we've got the Format Cells dialog box, and now we want to be in the Border tab, and in the Border tab, in the Style box, click the double line. So we want the double line right there, I believe. Double line. Okay. And in the preset section, click the outline option. So there's where we want to pick the outline option. And then we want to choose OK. So then if I come over here and look at my thing here, it's got a border around the outside of that for a double border. So we want to do the exact same thing for A34 through O36. A34 through O36. Oops. Okay. Right click, go to Format Cells. We're in the border section. We want the double border. We want the outline. Choose OK. Do the same thing for A37. A37 through O40. Right click, Format Cells, double border, outline, OK. Do the same thing for the Colorado row. Right click, Format Cells, double border, outline, Nebraska. We're only getting 2 rows out of this one. Right click, Format Cells, double border, outline, OK, Kansas. And in this one, you don't want to choose 47, row 47. Okay, double border, outline, OK. And once you click out of that, you can see that you've got double borders around that. And let's save that. And you're pretty much done with that section. So what I'd recommend at this point is to take a quick peek at page 96 and 97. So on pages 96 and 97, you're going to see what we're going to do with the rest of it. So we're going to change some more things here. We're going to use the Format Painter. We're going to do some stuff with the tiles, with page breaks as well. And if you look over onto page 97, you'll see a few other things. We're going to use Find and Replace. We're going to fool with the print area, some styles for cells, and that's about it. So I'll pick back up with that section here in just a little while.